How to install Google Classroom on iPhone. The Classroom is a free service for schools, non-profits, and anyone with a personal Google account. The Classroom makes it easy for learners and instructors to connect, inside and outside of schools. Classroom saves time and paper and make it easy to create classes, distribute assignments, communicate, and stay organized. First, we need to go to the App Store, so open App Store. Tap on Search. On the search above, write Google Classroom. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, tap on Get and wait. It is possible to get a notice about installing the app. Use your password or your fingerprint to allow the install on your iPhone. The install is almost complete for Google Classroom on your iPhone. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Let's tap on Get Started. Select the account you wish to use on Google Classroom. You can also add a new account. Tap Allow for Classroom to send you notification. You have now connected and signed in into your account. Let's make a small presentation of all the options we have. The plus button from the bottom can be used to create a classroom or join one. The menu button from the top left has some interesting options. Here we find the full list of classes, a calendar button that will show us all related stuff we have to do, and notification. If we tap on settings, we can disable or enable email notification. And also, we can set up some device notification. These are the main options. Check the description to see how you can join a classroom or create a new one. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.